everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 793 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I have some really beautiful LA Colors lip products to try out. Look at these, I'm like trying to show you them because they're double-ended. But these are the LA Colors Lock-In Lip Color. I don't know if there has ever been a lip product that sounds more perfect for what I'm looking for. First of all, it's from LA Colors, which is one of my favorite makeup brands, but then Lock-In Lip Color. I'm all about those long-lasting lip products that are going to stay on my lips all day long, not come off with eating and drinking, and that's like what this is designed to do. I am so excited. So of course I will let you know that these were sent to me for free by LA Colors, but this is not a sponsored video. I just really wanted to do a dedicated review video on these to find out how they really are, do some swatches, try them on, let you know what I really think of them. These retail for only $4.50 on the LA Colors website, and it's basically like a 2 products in 1. And I have 3 really beautiful shades here. So I will go ahead and swatch them all, but this comes in a bunch of different shades. It comes in 14 shades, but such a range. Like you've got nudes, you've got deep shades, red shades, bright shades, beautiful pink shades. And I love when products come in lots of shades. While I'm taking the plastic off of all of these, I have to admit something. I signed up for TikTok and I made a video already, but it's just like everyone says, it is so addicting to watch those videos, and I'm taking the plastic off of these and just having the songs stuck in my head from TikTok. Oh my gosh. Well, if you want to be TikTok friends, my username on there is Christy Bergman. I really thought that I was going to be able to resist TikTok. Like Twitter, I don't have a Twitter. I don't feel the need to go on Twitter. And I thought I was gonna be the same way about TikTok, but I caved and I totally understand why everyone loves it. But anyways, let's get on to these products here. So I'm gonna start out with swatching this red shade, which is called Atomic. And I'm curious what the applicator is. Ooh, it's a nice small doe foot applicator. That's my favorite type of applicator for lip products. Ooh, it's a nice bright red. Ooh, very bright. I feel like that's like the brightest neon red I've tried before. Like it swatches brighter than it looks in the packaging here, which is fine by me. And then this beautiful pink is called Attitude. They're very nice, creamy formulas, great pigment. That shade is beautiful. Definitely a shade that I'm drawn to. And then I have a lighter pink called Call Me. Ooh, also a beautiful pink. So I absolutely love all of these shades. But I am really curious to see how that bright red looks actually on my lips. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna apply the color, but then they all have a clear gloss on the other end. I love a double-ended lip product, and LA Colors makes so many different great types of double-ended lip products. No scent or fragrance to this. I'm a little surprised, but that's fine by me. Wow, very pigmented. It goes on kind of feeling like paint because it's so pigmented and it's kind of like a thinner formula. And I can feel it drying down relatively quickly to that matte finish. And I really like this red color. Now that I have it on, like it's nothing too crazy. It doesn't look like dramatic neon. It just looks like a really pretty pop of red. It definitely catches the attention, but it's still very flattering. And it is full pigment, full opaque color, but since it is a thinner formula, I do kind of want to go in with a second layer. But it really doesn't even need it. I just feel like I want to apply one. It does layer up beautifully. I feel like adding that second layer of this red shade made it a little bit of a slightly deeper red tone, but still like such a true, gorgeous red that I just feel so beautiful in. I love it. And it dries down to a beautiful, comfortable matte that almost has like a creamy appearance to it because it looks so smooth on my lips. Like it's not at all like crunchy, is that how I want to describe it? Like crusty, chalky. It's not like that at all. Like this doesn't even need a gloss on top because it's a beautiful enhancing finish. But of course I am gonna try out that gloss. But before I do, I'm curious how the transfer is and how long lasting. Nothing. No transfer whatsoever. So this really is locked in place, hence the name Lock-In Lip Color. It is perfectly set, locked in, exactly what I love. I'm so happy with that. And now we'll go ahead and apply that gloss enhancer on top. And this is a brush applicator. Whoa, it didn't even get the color on the applicator. Oh my gosh, like that color is locked in. And it's a beautiful high shine gloss that looks, it's called a gloss enhancer. It really is so enhancing. It looks beautiful. And it's a very like, it's not at all sticky type of gloss. It's a very silky gloss. It feels so nice on the lips. Wow. I am so impressed by this product. You can wear the matte lipstick alone, use this as a regular gloss on bare lips or as a lip topper for this lipstick or any other lipstick. Such great quality. I am amazed that LA Colors can get away with making such amazing products for $4.50. Like that is so worth it. For this lip product, I would pay double, triple that because I love a long-lasting, beautiful shade of liquid lipstick, and that's exactly what this is. This is like my perfect lip product. I'm so glad I have it in all of these shades and that it's available in so many different colors because it is a lip product that I would want to wear every day. If you've tried these out, I would love to hear your thoughts on them in the comments down below. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Please stay safe, stay healthy, and be sure to subscribe to my channel so that you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.